On the 16th National Assembly's first extraordinary session in the capital, chaired by National Assembly Chairman Thanh this Monday morning.
And throughout the session, lawmakers will review 33 urgent agenda items considered central to unlocking breakthrough development for the country. Our reporter Thanh has more from the National Assembly House.
Right now, the first extraordinary session of the 16th National Assembly is currently in recess after a successful opening ceremony this morning. In attendance were Party General Secretary and State President To Lam, Prime Minister Lê Minh Hưng, and permanent member of the Party Central Committee Secretariat Trần Cẩm Tú. National Assembly Chairman Thanh noted in his opening remarks that the session comes as Vietnam reviews 1 year of administrative units restructuring and operating the two-tier local administrative model, while pushing toward double-digit growth targets for 2026 and beyond. Throughout this extraordinary session, lawmakers will review 33 urgent and substantive agenda items aimed at removing bottlenecks and accelerating the country's development. This morning, National Assembly deputies heard 7 reports and reviewed findings on draft laws and resolutions. The afternoon's discussion agenda will cover amendments to the law on customs and the law on investment, along with a resolution on special mechanisms for APEC 2027 infrastructure projects in Phú Quốc Special Zone of An Giang Province. We will be keeping you updated on the proceedings of the first extraordinary session in our following bulletins. Thanh reporting for Vietnam Today.
Thank you, Thanh, for your update.